What if a full-size luxury SUV could look this bold, this modern, and still feel unstoppable anywhere you take it? This is the 2026 Lexus LX 700h. And it might be the most complete luxury SUV Lexus has ever built. In this video, I'm going to show you why the new LX 700h isn't just about luxury. It's about presence, power, and precision design. And there's one detail at the rear that completely changes how this SUV feels at night. So stay with me. The Lexus LX has always been the flagship SUV of the brand. It's the vehicle that represents strength, refinement, and long-distance comfort. But for 2026, Lexus pushes the LX into a new era with the 700h hybrid variant, blending electrified efficiency with that unmistakable full-size SUV authority. And you can see that evolution immediately from the front. Look at this front fascia. The grille is massive, layered with strong horizontal chrome elements that create depth and dominance. It's bold without being flashy. The slim LED headlights stretch sharply into the body, giving the LX a focused, almost futuristic stare. The Lexus lettering across the upper grille adds a premium, confident identity, clean and modern. From the side profile, the LX 700h looks long, solid, and incredibly balanced. The body lines are clean and straight, emphasizing strength rather than unnecessary curves. The large, multi-spoke wheels fill the arches perfectly, giving the SUV a planted stance. This isn't a design trying to look sporty. It's designed to look powerful and composed. The roofline flows gently toward the rear spoiler, keeping the silhouette refined despite its size. And notice how the windows taper slightly toward the back. Subtle, but it gives the SUV forward motion even when standing still. Now here's the detail I mentioned earlier. At the rear, the full-width LED light bar stretches from one side to the other, glowing in a sharp red line. It instantly modernizes the LX. At night, this lighting signature will make the 700 hours unmistakable on the road. The Lexus badge sits cleanly in the center, reinforcing symmetry. Below that, the lower bumper adds a sporty edge, with quad exhaust outlets integrated neatly into the design. It's a rare combination, luxury and aggression, done in a very controlled way. But the real surprise is inside. Step into the cabin and the atmosphere changes completely. Soft beige leather seats, wide center armrest, and real wood trim across the dashboard create a warm, upscale environment. It feels handcrafted, not just assembled. The dashboard layout is horizontal and clean, making the cabin feel wider than it already is. The large infotainment display blends seamlessly into the center stack, paired with a digital instrument cluster that keeps everything modern and easy to read. The wood trim stretches across the dash and onto the doors, tying the design together beautifully. This is where Lexus truly shines. Attention to detail. The stitching, the materials, the symmetry, everything feels deliberate. Even the center console is thoughtfully arranged. With a solid gear selector, intuitive controls, and a layered design that feels substantial. This is not minimalism for the sake of trend. This is functional luxury. Now, full-size luxury SUVs always face one challenge: balancing size with refinement. Big SUVs can sometimes feel overwhelming or outdated in design. But Lexus clearly focused on keeping the LX 700h modern and elegant. The lighting, The sharp body lines and the hybrid powertrain direction show that this SUV isn't stuck in the past. It's evolving, and while it's large and commanding, the clean surfaces and precise detailing prevent it from feeling bulky or excessive. The result? A luxury SUV that feels both prestigious and progressive. The 2026 Lexus LX 700h isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about arriving with presence. It's about sitting in a cabin that feels calm and premium. It's about driving a vehicle that blends traditional SUV strength with modern hybrid innovation. From the aggressive front grille, to the planted side stance, to that striking full-width rear light bar, this LX makes a statement without ever trying too hard. If you're looking for a flagship SUV that balances luxury, technology, and bold design, the LX 700h deserves serious attention. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone considering a luxury SUV in 2026. We have more detailed reviews and upcoming model coverage coming very soon. The 2026 Lexus LX 700h proves that luxury can still feel strong, modern, and confident. This isn't just another large SUV. It's Lexus redefining what a flagship hybrid SUV should look like. And honestly, this might be the most visually commanding LX ever built. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you choose this over its rivals?